and group. Till now, I have given you the CIDR value, and you have found out your subnet mask, everything. Oh, yes, started recording. Good. Yes. These two part is done. Range and client till now. Today's topic is subnet mask and group. Like if clients are given 20 clients, 30 clients, 40 clients, then what will be the subnet mask? Like for example, if I have a client 200 but PC, so I can give subnet mask 24, 255. But if I have client only 4 or 5, so I cannot give 24 now. There is wastage of my IP. Yes or no? If a person need a one bed to sleep, he will buy 10 beds or what? No, no. The same concept comes over here. Whatever is the requirement, that requirement will fulfill. 1, 2 might be extra, but not more. Like if I want only 2 IPs, why should I take slash 24? If I need 2 IPs, I'll go for 30. 30 if I do, I'll get only 2. Yes or no? Like yesterday, when you did 23 or 20 something, you got 4,000 pieces. That is fine, 4,000. What if I need only 100? It depends on small scale business also, correct? And all the time you cannot give everything. Like for example, if you go somewhere to buy something, if you get less, you're happy or unhappy? Little bit extra happy, na? Like for example, you buy something 1 kg of thing, you're getting 750 grams, will you take? No. If he gives you 1 kg to 50 grams, you'll happily will take it. Correct, na? The same thing here. We cannot give more or we cannot give less. More is fine, less not possible. If I have 100 PC, yes, हाँ सर बताइए। सर आप कुणाल का फोन कर लीजिए ना सर। अभी उसको नहीं आए, एक दिन आया कुछ काम दिया था, फिर कल तो आया नहीं, आज आएंगे कि नहीं आएंगे नहीं मालूम। हाँ वो तो मैं बोलूंगा, वो एक ही दिन आया, कल कुछ काम दिया था, फिर लोग इंटरव्यू था, ये था वो था बोल के निकल। हाँ ठीक है चलिए। वो तो मैं कर दूंगा, वो टेंशन नहीं है। अच्छा ठीक है चलो। बाय। ओके। अच्छा, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हु आर ऑनलाइन, am I voice audible, correct?
Yes, sir.
Then fine. Huh? I have not shared on the screen. Why you first try to understand concept. Normally what happens, we give you subnet mask, we give you CIDR value, and you find it out. Like, okay, if this is the value, this was will be my client with the formula of 2 to the power n minus 2. If I give less than 24, you take subnet 2 to the power capital N. Correct. Now this time subnet mask will not be given. Client will be given. Like for example, write it down, 192.168.1.0 slash, no idea. But I need client 300. What will the subnet mask? Or I need client 200, I need client 60, or I need client 30, I need client 1. So this is a requirement. It can be any requirement. They can give you any requirement depending. Like companies will not think first of all, okay, if I take the subnet mask, I'll get this. They will see number of people, they will buy in a bulk. And then they will call networking people. Yesterday I have ordered this much a PC, now you have to do. That means what? You have to think. Might be a big company, they have 10,000 PCs in a day. All network connection done. Now you have to give IP address. How will you give 10,000 PCs? So all the time you will not get subnet mask. Sometime as per requirement you have to work. So that is what today we will find it out. Subnet mask. See these and these are same, huh? Don't get misconcept. CID is different. CID is bit. The conversion of bit is subnet mask. Okay? CID is bit, and that conversion when you do it becomes subnet mask. Both are same. So let's find out for client. I will take client. First I will do for client. So for my client is first target is 300. So I have to find subnet mask and I will find CID. Both I will find it out. Ready to make you clear. So how to find this? So first of all, you have to write down those magical numbers. That 1, 2, 4, 8, those numbers. So what we have 1, 2, then 4, 8, then 16, then 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 so this manner it will go, correct? This is how you have to write it down. One, two, four, eight, 32. In this manner, you write down how big the number is. Good. Okay. So this number you have to write it down. Then what you want? You want 300. So it falls under these two, correct? So what I just said, if I give you less, you will take? No. So what I will do? Yes, 512 down. I'll give my number as 1. That is, I'll make the bit on. I'll make the bit on. Then other than that, I'll put all 0 off. How many zeros are there? Check properly. Check properly. Before that, if I say yesterday also, before 1, if any 0 doesn't have any value, so that will come by default 1 only. So always write in. How many zeros are there? 9. So to find CID value, total bit minus off bit. So total bit is how much? How many off?
9.
How much you got? So what is CID value now? What is the subnet mask? Subnet mask. No. How will you break these? It.
It's a 8 dot.
Huh.
8 dot. 8 dot 8 dot 0. 8 dot 0.
Huh. Then 255.255. Then for this 0. For 27, how much? How will you find? How to convert from decimal? Sorry, from binary to decimal. How on that? Do check your copy. Just turn your page. I have done conversion also.
2, sir.
No, to how to do the convert? What is 1 means here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 0. Now convert this. Convert this. How much you'll get? Devi, yes. Kirti, how much?
254.
Huh? 254. 254.0. Understood? So the subject mass is 255.255.254.0. Clear?
Yes.
Understood? Online people, understood? Any questions?
Sir, can you explain the second last part again
Second last person, which one?
from CIDR value?
From this
Solution.
one? This part?
Solution.
Okay, see, first of all, you have to find out the client, what client you need. So you write down these magical numbers.
Okay.
I think this number you know, correct? From where I got this number?
Yes.
Yes. Then whatever the value you want, the highest value, it comes under these two, correct?
Yes.
So what is the highest number? 300. 300 comes in this.
Ah.
Because I can't give less, I need this. So I'll take one bit. Then I'll put all zeros over there.
Okay.
How many zero comes? 9 zeros if you count.
Okay.
So to find CIDR value, the formula is total bit minus off bit. Because these zeros are my off. So 32 minus 9 is 23.
Yeah.
So then after
Okay.
that 23 I have divided into subject mass. Then I have changed into bit binary to decimal.
Yes, sir. Yes, understand.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you people again do all those three quickly. 200, 60, 30 and 1. Do and give snapshot in the WhatsApp. This is client. Now do take a snapshot and give in WhatsApp quickly. Everybody who are online also. In our group, Dhaneshwari join or not? No, na? He is not coming only. Very good. No repetition. Do quickly and send in WhatsApp. Your one student is not coming, remember. Dhaneshwari. He is not coming for long now. Repetition class and all those things, take it out. Questions there are late. 200, 60, 30 and 1. These are number of client. These are not subject mass. Number of client, huh? I want 200 client, I want 60 client, or 30 and I want 1 client. So today that guy will come. Raj will come.
That's for 7 o'clock we come up there.
I am not there, first of all. I don't know. I have to go 7 o'clock to her to doctor. I will not go. Now check it. He will take online class. I don't think he will also. They are coming to see me first of all. They will come and ask my. That day only they said me. But I have already planned today. I have to go to doctor. 6:30 is my appointment. 6:30, 6:45. What is that? JP Nagar second block. Ayurvedic for her.
Taking 8 months and somebody is what.
No, she is doing treatment now. She is my wife. She is doing PCOD treatment. It is long time. So this is date she got. No, she have to go. আমার 3:30টার সময় ইন্টারভিউ আছে এই অফিস থেকে, তারপরে যাব তোমার এটাতে, ওটাই বলছি আমি। নাহলে 12টার সময় যেতে পারি, 12টা 12:30। তাহলে তুমি খেতে যাবে না? ওটা ওটা করতে হবে, কারণ কি ওই যে বলছিলাম যে ম্যারেজে দিয়েছিল, তো ওটা বলে ইনফো গেন সামথিং কি কোম্পানি আছে, ওরা ইন্টারভিউ নেবে, দেখবে। স্যারকে বললাম কোম্পানি ইন্টারভিউ নিচ্ছে, কনসালটেন্ট না। তুমি করো, আমি বাকি দেখে নেবো। স্যার ওদের একটা ফ্যাকাল্টি লাগে, আমি সব জানি না। ফোন ডকার বকার না, ওটার মধ্যে আছে লিনাক্স, পাওয়ার শেল, গেট, কিউবারনেট, ম্যাম কি আর কি বাকি আছে, কি বাকি যে নাম বলে জানি, নামই জানি, নামই হয়নি। অর্কেস্ট্রেশন আর কি কি আছে আমি জানি না।
অ্যাকশন কিরকম লাগবে?
আমার তো একদম বকবাস লেগেছে এবার।
অ্যাকশন কিন্তু ঠিকঠাক, কিন্তু
স্টোরি লাইন আপ বকবাস লেগেছে, অ্যাকশনও আগের মতন না, একটু ইন্টেন্স কিছু দেখিনি।
মেইন ছিল যে ম্যাগনেট, ম্যাগনেটের উপরে খেলে।
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, ভাল লেগেছে ওই ক্যারেক্টারে, সবসময় ভাল লাগে ওই কালোটাকে। কালোটা লাস্টে জমিয়েছিল, ল্যাম্বোগিনি লাগে এখানে জমিয়েছে। আর সব থেকে ভালো লেগেছে ইউ আর ইমমর্টালস। আমি তো কিছু মরে গেছে প্রথম সিনে, ঠাকুর যে পড়েছিল উপরে, যা শেষ।
বললো তারপরে ব্যাগ খাই দিয়ে বানাইতে যাবেন।
আর ও আর ওর সাথে সবাই আর কি করে, খাচ্ছিল বেচারা, প্লেট ফালিয়ে দিয়েছে। বুলেট দেখাচ্ছে, এত করে বুলেট মাথায় একটা মারেনি আমার। ও অনলাইন ডান, yes it's done, still doing. Yeah. Or 200. Yes, it is wrong, whatever you have done. Check. No, yes. Who is this? Muddy ticket something. 651, yes, surely, correct. Hello? The 651 number is yes, surely, correct.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That is wrong, you see. For 200, how you got 253? It is 24, correct? 24 means how much? 8.8.0, correct? Check properly, wrong. First 30, this, okay. Shweta till now, correct. Thirty to 4. Okay, so second, 30 to 4. Lakshmi, one is the 30 is wrong. 10 you missed only. What about for 6? 1. 1 will do. Obviously, I have marked there. See, 1 also will do. See, everybody 1 also. Devi, where is your? Kirti, where is your? And those two backbenchers. Backside only. Come and sit front also someday.
ITMS president.
What done? You got so scared in my voice. Nobody learned. Their storage only.
Some backend level there.
Mobile hotspot.
Mobile hotspot it will be connected.
No, from here you can connect here. Mobile hotspot. Just share.
Right there also it will come same range only, maybe it won't be changed.
Will come. This is a password. Take a mobile phone. Or else again, if you want, you can edit a password. You can edit a name. And you can connect. Happy? Done. For 1, how much you got? So 1 cannot come, correct? So maximum is 2. So 1 is wrong. If somebody says 1, we can't give. Because we have to communicate between two systems. So till here clear?
Yes, sir.
Everybody? Yes, Kirti.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
But you have not sent me, Kirti.
Sir, I sent you, sir.
When you sent? I have not seen only. Hold. Acha. Now everybody sent.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank
Chalo.
you.
Now, last topic is grouping. Okay. Okay. Now we'll do grouping. Okay.
Huh?
It is also known as So yes, any questions?
No, sir, no.
Then mute it then. Grouping or also known as subnetting. Basically, it is known as subnetting only. Grouping to make you find easy. But when you say group means you understand divide. Like for example, in a classroom, not in a first not classroom. Like example, there's a bulk of student, 100 student. Okay. Now we have to divide those students into two class. How much? 50, 50. 50, 50, 350. 50, yeah. Then how many chairs they want?
Each class 50.
So all are divided, correct? From total number, all are divided. Same thing here. First, you have to find out client. I'm getting somebody's on or what? I'm getting echo sound. Okay. Please mute, if it is there. If first thing you have to find your client, okay, you get a bulk of number, how much client it is. Then divide that client number with that group. Like you said, I said you 100 people divided 2, is what you did, 100 divided by 2. Correct? You got 50, 50. Then according to that, you said 50 chairs, 50 chairs. You didn't say 100 chairs, correct? The same thing here. Once you get a number of client, their subnet mass will be same. When you make division, number of client will be less and the subnet mass will also change. You cannot keep same subnet mass. Remember, that's the reason I have given that example. When I said 100 people, you said 100. When I said 2, you said 50. Then when I chair, 50, 50. That means as per division, the numbers also change. But here also same thing will happen.
Like 8.8.7.
Whatever it is. Like that. Now see. So let's find out 192, 168, 1.0 slash 24. Let's say 24 first. Okay, I'll make it into 4. I'll make into group. I'll make into group. I'll make first 2. Then I will make 4. Then I'll give homework. Not to worry. Okay. The first of all, what I will find? I'll find a client, correct? Now, if I try to find a client, how much I'll get? Correct? Now, for finding group, I will take the total number. I will not take -2 number. Remember, don't take -2. Take total. Because anyhow it will be minus whenever you make a group. You take the total number, whatever you get. The 2 to the power 9 you got, 512. Take that number. Don't take -2, 510. This total number you have to take. Then, how many group I want? 2 groups. Correct? How much I will get?
128.
128. Now, for this, if I find out range, if I find out range for 192, 168, 1.0 slash 24, what will be my range? It will come up to correct? And total subnet mass will be correct? This is total. That means I am finding a range for this. This one till now we have done, correct? Till now we know this only. Like if I got client, I will get range of this much. Now I have to find group range and subnet mass. First one was total. This much of client, this much of range, this much of subnet mass. First one. Now group range and subnet mask. How much per group I got? 128. Correct. So I'll write down first group. The first group will start 192.168 1.0. 192.168 1.127. This is first group. Now second group will be 68 1.128 to first tell me whether you understood this one or not. Why? 0 to 127, how much?
Two groups, 127.
Not when you're starting with 0, 0 will be counting, correct? So 0 to 127, how much? 128 only. 128, 128. Like if I say 50 numbers, what do you need? 1 to 50, then 51 to 100. If you make a count, 1 to 100 is fine. And when you make 50 50 means 1 to 50, 1, 51 to 101.
How you took 192.168 without
Yesterday I already told you that number whichever I take, it is random. Whatever you like, you take. Don't ask this question. Yesterday I told her that number can be any. I am just taking this one. You want to take 10, take 10. You want to take 1, take 1. I don't have any problem on that now. Main thing is my back CIDR value. From there only we have to do all those things. This is clear how I make the group? Huh? But here subnet mask will change. Are there any questions till now? Online people, any queries?
No, sir.
Okay. Now, here subnet mask will depend on number of groups. Now you have to find out number of subnet masks for this 128. You cannot give 255, 255, 255.0 because if you give that, this is this range. For example, I have given 100 peoples. Then when I said how many chairs, you say 50 chairs. That means depending on your group, you decide your chairs. If I tell you, okay, two groups at 50, but put 100 chairs in one group only. Then what will happen? Other will stand. Then you will divide that also, correct? The same thing here. When you make a group, you get numbers. On that number, you have to find your CIDR value, which I did just correct before that. Like you find out for 200 and all, na? The same thing. Now for 128, how much? Find out.
107.
For 128, this is a client now. What is per client only? This is per group only now.
7.
Find out CIDR value. Just now, like this. Find out. Same, what you did in the first. Do it. For one, this is not 120, this is 128 only. Why you are not counting 0? For 128 to find it out.
So 24.
No, how 24? 24 is for the entire range. This one you have made group. When you make group, you have to find out these groups CIDR value. For 128, how much will come? Correct. So for this, subnet mask will be CIDR value will be 25. So subnet mask will be 255.255.255.128, and same for this. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do for this 4 groups. Do and send me 4 groups. 2 I have done. Do for 4 groups. Same way. Do and send.
Sir, the client will be 256 only, na?
See, this is /24 only. So in 24 you have to make 4 groups. Depends on your subject master client. The client always 256, not possible. It can be any. Now first do for this, then I'll change the question. Same. The /24 is a subject mass, and then you have to make into 4 groups. What is the group first? We'll find out the range. Make like this. Take down, find first group, then second group, third group, fourth group. Then subject mass will come. Wow, directly you got subject mass. Find out the group, which group, how many groups will be there. Like the process which I did here, na, from here to here, same process you do. First, find total range. Step by step, you will remember. Then make a group. Then see idea, then write down last. First group, second group, third group, fourth group. Properly do and give a snapshot. Photo, click a photo and send. Give me first group, second group, all. Second group. What you missed? Tell me first.
You went very fast. I couldn't understand.
Okay. First, I'll come with the examples again. Assume there are 200 people. Simple. Now, they are sitting in one place with 200 chairs. Okay, that is first total. So what I did total 1/24. This is total range. Correct. Now suddenly I said you make into 4 groups or 2 groups. So I divided into them into 4 groups. So what will happen in 200? No, don't say. Just come with that question only. 200. Okay. Now how many chairs you have to transfer, or will keep 200, or you buy new one? So depending on the group, you decide your chairs also. Correct. Same thing I did. Entirely I did same thing. First I took out a range. Then that range I divided into groups. Each group I started with 0. So 0 to 127 is to 128. First group. Next group is 128 to 255. Again 128. Now according to that group, I have given subnet mass.
Like the 256, how you took that?
Yesterday's one you check. Check yesterday's one. Slash 24, how much you will get? Huh. Then how I got time that I have done? Huh, tell.
Group.
Okay, I'm checking. Correct. Kirti is correct.
Sir, I forgot the subnet code.
Write down the subject. I was supposed to write down the subject mass. Lakshmi also correct. But where is the subject mass? Down. Correct. Done. You send the subject mass, Kirti.
Yes, sir.
Grouping is correct. Grouping you don't have any problem. Grouping is correct.
Down.
Yes, send your one. Devi, send your one. If you have doubt, tell me. Okay, if no doubt, do for this. So Shweta, I changed the IP, huh? Do for 22 and group you make 8. Do and send me quickly. Next task. 172.168.0.0/22. Do in 8 groups. Do it now, send quickly. If this is clear, then next will come. This is we are doing in even numbers. What is default number? Now we'll come to odd number after that. Subject must? Oh. Correct. Do next this one now. 8 groups. /22 8 groups.
Divided by this. 32. 64 is 1 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Hello.
কিবোর্ডে ডিটেক্ট করে না যে আমি কি কথা বলবো
Keyboard?
কিবোর্ড ডিটেক্ট করে না
Keyboard এর জন্য কারণ কালকে ওরা গন্ডগোল করে দাঁড়াও।
কিছু করেছেন কি
আমি বলেছিলাম ওরা পুরোটা বেশি বড় করে দিয়েছে, কারণ ধরতে পারা ভুলি না। কিবোর্ড মানে এখান থেকে এখান থেকে
দুই সাইডে
না, দুই সাইডে কিচ্ছু না। আমি
এই সাইডে তো হচ্ছেই না
এদের আরামসে কাজ করবে। প্রথমটাতে ওরা কি করে দেখে তো দেখাচ্ছি, দেখবে জোর জবরদস্তি ফোটা করেছে। এটা এ ফোটা নেই কিন্তু, এদিকে দেখবে শর্ট মারছে। নেক্সট এটার মধ্যে জোর জবরদস্তি ফোটা করেছে, এটাতে করেনি, করতে গেছে করতে দেয়নি, এটা নেই কিন্তু। কিন্তু আমি
আসলে না এটা মানে কিবোর্ডই ডিটেক্ট করছে সিমোস এরর মারছে
ওইটাই ভুল হয়েছে। তো দেখে না, ওটা কাজ করে না। ওটা এরকম কোথাও মেরে ঢুকিয়ে দিয়েছে পুরো। हाँ, I divided ना। हाँ, subnet mask. This one. How much CID you got? 25. 8.8.8.1. 1 means how much? 128 na first one. 2 to the power 7 is how much? 2 means you have to add those two, 128 and 64. There is 1 1 na. 2 means what? 1 1 then 6 zeros. So 128 plus 64, 192. 1. If it come more 1 here, for example, you will add this 2. If it comes here, you add this 4. Simple, what you did in the beginning. How we convert from decimal to this number. কালকে রাইনোকে হারালে না, হারাও নেই। আর সিমোসটা লাগিয়েছো? সিমোস ব্যাটারি এখানে কেন পড়া?
में बार को नहीं चाहिए कीबोर्ड से इग्नोर खराब है कीबोर्ड तो वैसे
कट कर सर
ना
प्रथम लगे देखो है
माउस का तुमने देखा
सर काज करो ना चेंज करो ना कीबोर्ड
कीबोर्ड ही अच्छा है
हाँ वेंकट पर डन फाइन और ये ब्रेक डिफाइंड एज सबनेट मास 224 करेक्ट हाँ 63 subnet mask content. Okay, let me correct. Shweta. Okay, Shweta 31. T2. Understood up to here? Now make this one into group. Whatever you want, but now make it 6. Kim, homework done? Huh? Check it out. Fine, check. যা আজকে যে ভাবনা আসবে এসে গেছে 12টার সময় Yes. এ আসে না এসে গেছে কিছু কিছু করবো বসে যাবো আমরা থাকো point how it will come, we'll break the system. Think sometime if it is not equal also no problem, but point it will not come. What you will do for the last one. If this is done, your IP addressing is over. रायनो का हराल है ने खेला ही नहीं So today IP address is over. If it is done, IP address is over. Next class OSI model. Let us Monday. Today is Friday, na? Then Monday. Version 6 not now. First complete this CCNA, then when I'll come IPv6 in CCNA, that time I'll come version 6. Now if I do version 6 also, na, you'll mix all the thing and CCNA again you'll ask me only.
First completing IP4 and
Then I'll come to IPv6. First IPv4 practical everything, then I'll come to IPv6. And if I do now, you'll just mix it up everything. And again I have to print. Do for 6, let's see. Kirti, Yash and Devi, do for 6 group.
So I'm doing 8 groups now.
Still you're doing 8 groups only.
Yes, sir.
Why? Acha, do it. After that you do 6 quickly. For 8 group they have given in the WhatsApp, you can check for help. If you have any problem, if you have any problem, just call me now. Tell me now only.
Okay, sir.
এরকম ভালো লাগছে কথা বলা কি বড় হওয়া
मेमोरी कार्ड एक्सपेंडेबल नहीं है, इंटरनल मेमोरी जितना है उतनी ही।
What you did? How you did? Wrong. Yes, wrong. The way you have done is wrong. In middle you can't put 0. That is value will count as 1 only. This one. Anything is valid, it has no value, na. So if it has value, it will become 1. Up to here it will become 1 only. See, 001 means 1. 101 means 101. So in fact that 0 has a value this time. So if you give like this, how it will come? That is why I have given to do this. Let's see. Till now nobody has done in one time this one. I also don't actually will do it one time. They will also try.
So nearby you take. Nearby.
Do?
Sir,
Tell.
sir, the group 8, there is not a subnet code, sir.
Why? If you make it group 8, you will get for first how much? 512. If you make divided by 8, how much it will come? 64. Correct?
Sir.
So for 64, you have to find out subnet mass. For 64, subnet mass will be 192. That is 26.
Okay, sir.
190. 190.
For what? You have to make 60. Make 60. Check how much it comes. Check it out. Make group, you'll understand that the number should come same. You cannot exceed. Six group you have to make. What? You're getting sleepy? Huh? Yawning here? What? All back brushing and what happened? What is this? Huh? Finish. This is interesting. This is one tricky questions. I'll give a hint. Total 10 people. Total 10 people. If you divide into three rooms, what you will do? You'll cut the people. Will kill and keep it half point there.
3, 3 and 1 will do that.
3, 3, 1. Throw that one. You cannot remain. You have to make it them in the 3 place only. What will do?
Then 3, 3 and 4.
So that means here grouping will differ as per your requirement. That is the concept of that concept. Find it how to do. I have given a hint. Think. Last part you think. Let's see. What? Think for more 5 minutes. Think. How will you do? You cannot throw. You cannot cut. Six. Devi 6 done or not? Take 5 minute time. Take. I don't know. How will you round figure it? I said the 10 people are there. You have to divide, like you said, 4, 4, 3. You cannot cut. Like he has to cut it on 3.5. You'll cut half there. Leg there, body there. Think. Kirti, can you do?
So I'm doing, sir.
You're doing okay, do it.
Group is into and again 120 into 4 and
Can be done. Find it out. Can be done. Do it, na. Do it. Find out something was. Do it. Show me, na. Why you're saying? Do it. Think and do.
Sir, I
Think.
think.
You finish. You send.
Yes, sir. 8th group, not 6.
Here 8 group only, correct? No, you find out for 6 group, Kriti. Next one I have given, you see? Your subject mass is wrong. Your subject mass is wrong. It should be 192. Why you break like this? See, you got 32 minus 5, correct?
Yes, sir.
So 32 minus 5 is how much? 27?
27.
How much it means? 8.8.8.3, correct?
Yes, sir.
So why you have given 252 to 16.22?
Sorry, sir.
Do for 6 group.
Okay, sir.
Your friend is coming. So do one thing. First of all, you learn this client. The client I'm not going to teach. You check with your Murtuza sir and do it, finish and come. Because those things, if I take client, it will go for 3-4 days. See, this batch is finishing client today. So they took around 1 week for doing IP addressing only. Because in upcoming classes, IP address is very, very important. So check IP address, then you come and do. Because CCNA you have to finish properly. Then only CCNP will be easy for you. Or else in middle I'll ask something, again you will stuck. Sit down or check with sir, finish IP address, both of you. I think he has also not done. He has done homework. Check properly, finish it out, go to sir, finish those diagrams, then you come. Okay? Sure. Not tomorrow, Monday to Friday. Finish now in these 3 days and come. What? Still waiting? Huh? Still waiting. Still waiting. Dude, huh? Then
This first one is correct.
first find out sick. What first one is correct? How I know first one is correct? পাঠিয়ে দিয়েছি হোমওয়ার্ক করেছিস স্যার হোমওয়ার্কটা করতে পারিনি কেন স্যার আইপ্যাডে হয়নি বা দেখো সিসিএনপিতে আমি আইপ্যাডে হয়ে কিছু করাচ্ছি না যে শিখেছে যাও আইপ্যাড শিখে আসো হোমওয়ার্কটা করে আসো তারপরে আমার সামনে আসবে নাহলে মুখ উঠে আসবে না আমি ওখানে আইপ্যাডে শেখাবো হবে ওকে
CCL বিদেশে হলো শিক্ষা বিভাগটা কখনো হয় না
পরে বলে স্যার প্রোটোকলটা কিরকম দিব, আমি যা শিখ
জানেন না সিসি দিতে কেমনে কেমনে করবে ওগুলো কি ভাবছে সিসি দিয়ে আবার করে
আর আসছে আমার কাছে। ওদের কাছে মাথা খেয়েছে গ্রুপ দিয়ে, প্রথম গ্রুপ দেখে দিয়েছে